has many more amenities that I'm having right now at my old apartments. Like, I've never really played table tennis, but there's an opportunity here that I can play and learn more new games or anything like that.
So in my current apartment which I live, the playground is a really small place in which we can't play more things because there are many people who want to play. Here the playground is very spacious and big. I am looking forward to the playground. I have never been to rock climbing, so it will be the first time. What I like about the children's room is that it's really spacious, so you can do a lot of activities, and you can put your toys on the floor. You can have sleepovers, you can have a reading corner, a study corner, and it suits a lot of people in my opinion. And I really like the furniture inside and how you can decorate the room to your liking and how the room is very easily customizable. Some furnitures, they actually fold into the walls, such as tables and bunk beds, and it's also really easy storage areas where you can just pull out some boxes and put your toys in them.
So to my friends, I've been telling about how of a great room I'll be having in 2G and more about the amenities and how we can all enjoy together later on here.